Well, it's a beautiful one. Peter Obi is a lovely bride. You know, he has a record that speaks to his commitment to good governance. He has a record that is impeccable. He has a record of frugality in governance. He has a record of hatred for waste, which the level we are now as Nigeria is a wonderful record. Okay, so yes, I've been bombarded. I've been asked severally, how do we join his group? How do we join this group? How do we do this? How do we do that? It's beautiful. People, there is a momentum because of the agony, the pains people have been through in the last 7 years of Buhari's government. We just want what do you call it? We just want some glimpse of fresh air. We just want to have a taste of fresh. We just want to break away from everyday kidnapping, everyday inflation, everyday banditry, everyday hunger, everyday. We just want a break from the bad news, everyday bad news. And Peter Obi's support in public is organic. Peter was my governor for 8 years. Peter will not give you 1,000 naira to support him. He will not pay you to support him. You understand what I'm saying? So anybody saying maybe Peter will not do it. Go and ask his wife where Peter Obi lives. Where Peter Obi lives in Anambra State. He lives in a 2-room. When they wanted to build, he just told the wife that he doesn't need all these this thing. They should just give him two rooms. A former governor, a former chairman of a bank. That is Peter's life. Or even someone that is just a local government chairman will come to Abuja. They are staying at the Transcorp Hilton. Go and ask where Peter sleeps anytime he's in Abuja, and he's always almost in Abuja. Find out the hotel that Peter sleeps. You understand? He's not the type that believes in. When Buhari wanted to be president, we heard everything. Oh, he will sell off all the aircraft in the presidential fleet. Has he sold one? His daughter carried presidential aircraft to go and be doing photo shoots. How reckless these people have been in the last 7 years. So if you see people coming out massively to support Peter Obi, it's because of probably what they've seen about him and in him. And it's their right. I just hope and I pray that Nigerians will do not miss it in 2023. Because it's going to be a watershed in our political life, political history. If we miss it in 2023, there might not be another election cycle. Because what people are doing now is they are trying to push through to the end of Buhari's tenure. To now tell them to start another journey of pain, of anger, of insecurity, of this hyperinflation will not work. People have had it up. Find out how many Nigerians have left the shores of this country in the last 7 years of Buhari's government, including his own supporters. People who have told you that they can no longer bear this. They can no longer bear this. If you want to win an election, because what I see is, with Peter Obi's candidature, you will have masses support. A lot of people will go and register for PVT because of Peter Obi, because of the person that he is. They will want to walk. In fact, if you see the several messages I've received, people said they are ready to turn to Jehovah's Witness for Peter Obi. Door to door, knocking. And all these groups you see that have been formed for Peter Obi, the man does not give them 1 naira. I am doubly sure of that.